Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we begin our presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Jelvin Saputra Pratama. Today, I will the moderator for this presentation. Today, I will group present topic and title definition of materials development. Now, I would like and introduce the members. Our group, the first presenter, Diva Azahra, the second presenter, Citra Dewi, and the third presenter, Jelvin Saputra Pratama. The first presenter explained by Diva Azahra.
Thank you, moderator. I'm Diva Azara, and I will explain about definition of materials development. The materials development is the process of designing, creating, adapting, implementing, and evaluating learning to support language teaching and learning. For example, the five example of materials development. This is textbook. This is English for today. Worksheet. This is vocabulary matching exercise and audio material. English podcast, video material, YouTube learning videos, and last interactive digital media. This is, for example, quizzes and Kahoot. Okay, next, the importance of materials development. Materials development plays a crucial role in the teaching and learning process because it helps teachers provide suitable learning researches for students. The importance is the first supports learning objective. For example, using role plays to improve speaking skills. The second meets learners' needs and interests. For example, tourism students learn hotel and travel conversation. Next, increases motivation and engagement. For example, using games, video, and interactive quizzes. Next, the creates meaningful learning experience. For example, practicing how to order food in a restaurant, and last, improving learning outcomes. For example, students become more confident in communicating in English. Next, the principle of materials development. Good learning materials should follow several important principles. The first, relevance. The relevance, for example, is English for nursing students includes pattern communication activities. Second, engagement. For example, role plays, debates, and group discussions. Next, flexibility. For example, activities can be done individually, in pairs, or in groups. And last, practically. For example, simple worksheets and easy to use online quizzes. Back to moderator.
Okay, next, the second presenter explained by Citra Dewi.
Okay, thank you moderator. I am Citra Dewi and I will explain about example of applying the principles. In this situation, a group of English education students wants to improve their speaking skills. Materials such as memorizing grammar rules and complementing grammar exercises only are not very effective because students do not get enough opportunities to speak. For example, students may know the grammar rule for introduction themselves, but they still feel nervous when speaking in front of others. More effective material includes role plays, group discussion, daily conversation practice, and presentation activities. For example, students can do role play as a customer and cashier or discuss their favorite hobby in groups. These activities help students use English in their communication and build their confidence. Okay, next, procedures in materials development. The first step is needs analysis, which identifies student problems. For example, many students are afraid of making mistakes when speaking English. The second step is setting objectives, such as helping students introduce themselves fluently. The third step is designing materials. For example, the teacher prepares dialogue, exercises, and vocabulary lists about self-introduction. The first step is implementation, where students practice the dialogues with their partners. Finally, evaluation and revision are conducted. For example, the teacher collects student feedback and improve activities that are considered difficult or less interesting. Okay, next let's example developing speaking materials. In this example, the learnings or English education students, the identify needs are lack of confidence, limit vocabulary, and difficulty expressing ideas. For example, some students know what they want to say but do not know the English words to express themselves. The learning objective is for students to communicate confidently in daily situations. To achieve these goals, the teacher develops several materials such as daily conversation, role plays, vocabulary practice, and presentation activities. For example, students may practice ordering food in a restaurant, introduction themselves, or giving a short presentation about their hobbies. Through these activities, students are expected to become more confident and fluent in speaking English. That's all. Back to moderator. Thank you.
Example: developing grammar materials. Learners, senior high school students identify problem. Students have difficulty understanding English tenses. Learning objectives. Students can use basic tense accurately. Materials developed: simple present tense lessons, present continuous activities, grammar games, interactive quizzes. Expected outcome: students improve their grammatical accuracy through practice and engagement. Next, challenges in materials development. Teachers often face several challenges when developing materials. Challenges: different learner needs, limited teaching time, limited resources and technology, different proficiency levels, maintaining students' interest. Solutions: conduct needs analysis, adapt existing materials, use technology effectively, include interactive activities. By addressing these challenges, teachers can create more effective learning materials. And conclusion, materials development is the process of designing, adapting, implementing, and evaluating learning materials. Effective materials should follow principles such as relevance, authenticity, engagement, flexibility, and practicality. The development process includes needs analysis, objective setting, material design, implementation, and evaluation. Well-developed materials help students achieve learning objectives and improve learning outcomes. Okay, that is all from our presentation about definition materials of development. We hope our presentation is useful and helps you understand the topic better. Thank you for attention. We apologize for any mistakes. Have a nice day. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.